Hello students, in this part we will study about the organism, how the organism reproduce and why the reproduction is necessary. What would happen if reproduction doesn't take place? How many types of reproduction? Chapter है how do the organism reproduce? How does the organism reproduce? Organism करना है तो does the organism reproduce? First one is what is reproduction? Reproduction किसे कहते हैं? एक ऐसी प्रोसेस जिसमें कोई भी ऑर्गेनिज्म अपनी ऑफस्प्रिंग, अपने यंग वंस को प्रोड्यूस करता है, that process is called reproduction. The process in which any organism produce their offsprings, young ones, that is called reproduction. Clear? Next, is reproduction essential for surviving? Reproduction is not essential for surviving, but it is essential. किस वजह से? To maintain the continuity of life. Why is the reproduction essential? Reproduction is essential to maintain the continuity of life. Thus, reproduction is essential not for surviving. Surviving condition तो digestion, respiration, excretion है. If the organism does not reproduce, that will not die. वो मरेगा नहीं. Reproduction आ करे तो मरेगा नहीं. लेकिन ये जरूरी है to maintain the continuity of life. Types of reproduction. There are two types of reproduction: sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. There is two types of reproduction: sexual reproduction and the second one is asexual reproduction. What is sexual reproduction? The reproduction in which male and female both take place. There is a requirement of both the parents, male and female. That reproduction is called sexual reproduction. The reproduction in which male and female both the organisms are required. इसमें मेल और फीमेल का फ्यूजन होता है. That reproduction is called sexual reproduction. For example, in human being, cow, dog, sexual reproduction can take place. For example, human being, cow, dog. There is sexual reproduction can take place. Both male and female both are required by the to produce the new offspring. Asexual reproduction, the reproduction in which only single cell, only one organism produce their young ones. There is no requirement of male and female. The reproduction in which offspring produced from single parent. There is no requirement of male and female, both two types of organism. For example, amoeba. About sexual reproduction we will discuss later. Firstly, we discuss about the asexual reproduction. Types of asexual reproduction. Types of asexual reproduction. There is many types of asexual reproduction can take place. Out of first one is fission, budding, fragmentation, regeneration, spore formation, वेजिटेटिव प्रोपेगेशन और वेजिटेटिव रिप्रोडक्शन एक ही बात है। वेजिटेटिव रिप्रोडक्शन भी कह सकते हैं एंड वेजिटेटिव प्रोपेगेशन भी कह सकते हैं, और इसी का एक पार्ट है कि टिश्यू कल्चर। About these all processes we will discuss in next part.